to Growing with me, Miss Williams. Today we're going to look at flowers. Did you know you can collect seeds from flowers and vegetables? Today I'm going to show you how to do this. These calendulas are annual plants. This means they complete their life cycle in 1 year and produce seeds to create the next generation. This is the bud, this is the flower head, this is the flower as it starts to dry up, and once the head is dry, this is where you can collect the seeds from. You can collect seeds from the flowers once they're dead. These are chives. They're part of the onion family. These are chives. They produce flowers, and those flowers turn into seed heads as well. You can collect the seeds from these too. These salad leaves are producing flowers. These in turn will produce little seed pods. You're able to plant these as well to the next generation. These are marigolds, and this is the seed head. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes. These are the chive seeds we just collected. Let's plant them. These are marigold seeds. Pulled them out of the dead flower head like this, and they're long seeds. Brand new plants. You can plant these as well. These seeds come out of salad leaves. These are tiny. These are our calendula seeds that we picked earlier. You just need to give them a nice water and keep them somewhere bright. Can you find any seed heads at home in your garden? Thanks for joining us. See you again next time.